These tiny product videos are going viral all over social media right now, and they look insanely realistic. The best part? You can create them yourself with AI. First, go to the video description and copy the master prompt. Open Google Flow AI, choose 9 to 16, and select the Omni Flash model. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Now open ChatGPT and ask it for 20 latest mobile phone name 2026. For this example, I'll use the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Copy the product name, return to Flow, and replace the object placeholder in the master prompt with your product name. Now hit Generate, and that's it. Flow creates a detailed miniature unboxing scene with realistic packaging. You can use the exact same workflow to turn almost any product into a viral miniature video. And this is the final result. Subscribe for more AI video tutorials and viral content ideas.